Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Jupyter extension for Python in your VS Code. So the Jupyter extension is a further extension of Python, which helps you write code seamlessly, and it is also a great tool for practice as well. So let's see how to install its particular extension. So in order to install its extension, you need to head on to the extension tab of the Visual Studio's code, or you may also choose to press the Ctrl, Shift and X key combinations to head on to the extensions tab. Once you will reach here, you need to type in Jupyter. Then among these search results, we need to install this particular Jupyter extension right here, which is from Microsoft and has around 89.2 million downloads. So in order to install, simply click on the install button and the installation process will begin. Just wait for the installation process, and here you can see that once the installation process has been done, that means that the Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed as an extension in our VS Code. So let's try to access this. So in order to access this, you need to head on to the View tab and click here. From here, you can see this option which says Command Palette, or you may also press the Ctrl, Shift and P combinations. Simply click on the Command Palette and type for Jupyter. And with the first option which says create new Jupyter notebook, simply click on here, and here you can see that this is a Jupyter notebook right here, and then you can choose to do your stuff in this particular window. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.